I'm feeling really inspired by fall right now, so I've created a dark, rusty, smoky eye. So keep watching to see how I created this eye look. Going in with my concealer as a base. If I'm sounding a little bit stuffy today, it's because I'm just getting over a cold. I'm just gonna set the concealer in place with a little bit of a light face powder. I'm feeling a little bit inspired by this palette today. This is the Major Dimensions 2 palette, so let's play around with it. Usually start with bronzer in the crease, but today I'm gonna skip that step. We're gonna go in with this color here, right in the crease. Taking a fluffy brush and working that just above my crease. So I want this eye look to be really dark and smoky. So we're gonna go right in with this shade here. It's like a really warm chocolatey brown color. Taking that on a flat shader brush, and I'm just pressing that in the outer corner of my eye. Keep adding color until you're happy with the intensity. I'm just taking that same color on the inner third and taking a clean fluffy brush just to make sure those edges are really nice and blended. I'm trying to create a gradient effect, which is why we started with that lighter color. Going in with the same shader brush on the darkest brown shade, and I'm just packing that on the outer corner. If this isn't intense enough, I may go back in and add just a little bit of black shadow as well. I'm using the lightest color of the palette just right here in the middle. So ignoring the crazy fallout on my face, your eyes should look something like this. And now we're gonna add a bit of a shimmery eyeshadow right in that middle part there. I've actually never used this color here, so let's just start off with that. Starting off with a dry brush, and then we may add Fix Plus if we need to. So this is how it's looking, but I think we definitely need some Fix Plus. So I'm just spraying that right on the brush. Oh yes, you can see the intensity already. It's also deepened that gold color as well, adding a little bit of that lighter gold for some dimension. I've added some liner and some big fake lashes. And now I'm gonna do the rest of my face with some new products. I'm gonna be doing other videos for that, so please check them out. So I finished the rest of my makeup. I've added a little bit of shadow underneath my eye with a bit of mascara, and this is the final look. Hopefully this video inspired you guys to do a fall vibes makeup look.